This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Christina Pione. Welcome to this custom-built all-brick home in established neighborhood. Well-maintained property located in a cul-de-sac and overlooking the Elizabeth River. Full bath on the first floor. Open floor plan, enter the large family room west/built-in custom bookshelves. The living space flows into the open kitchen west/eat-in area, granite countertops, new farmhouse sink, new SS appliances, opens up the space to overlook backyard. New roof, new Andersen windows and new Andersen French doors with lifetime warranty. Spacious laundry room west/sink. Hardwood flooring, primary bedroom has an extra seating area and 2 walk-in closets, primary bathroom has jetted tub with separate shower.